This video is not brought to you by Diet Mountain Dew, but it could. Sponsors, if you're out there, hook it up. Today we're doing the round 2 qualifiers of FMWC DACH, the German-speaking countries. This is titled Ski Jumping by notable summertime skiing enthusiast Benni Weber. This is another speed run attempt. Let's go. All right, let's get started. Import the lambdas, ignore the errors. I don't need this anymore. Okay, in the video, you're given a few tables, so you kind of know to expect this. And I like to start off with some custom labels. KP, just for easy referencing. This one has to do with athletes, so we'll name it A. And call these athletes country, age, and speed. Speed is what we need. Okay, this is the main table. We'll call this T. Distance. Right here, it's pretty obvious we probably will want to segregate those. So we'll split those, say before the space and dash. That's the competition short name. And then the jump value will be this value after the word jump. Okay. And from here, let's go ahead and join our tables. So from hills, we need country, age, and speed. Country, age, and speed joining on, let's see, comp, H hill. Once we have that, just simple change of the ends, or not. This shouldn't be hill, this should be country, age. This is, I joined the wrong table. Interestingly enough, A athletes, A country. This is getting crazy. Okay, so country, age, speed. Okay, from the hill table, we want hill, host, and KP. Oops, not there. And so we'll do similar lookups on the comp, H hill. Okay, and then host, and then KP. Okay, now from the video also we kind of know the scoring system, so let's do some of the scores. So DS distance score equals 60 plus 1.8 times distance minus the KP. And then the judge score is going to be sum of dropping the first and last scores from the judges. So we need to sort this though. Gotta be sorted. Okay. First and last. And then the total score is just these two added together. And now we can get started. So we want to know the judge score on this one. So it's going to be equals sum T, let's see, competition equals this times T athletes equals that times what value do we want the judge score, JS. Okay, so we did something wrong here. We need 2 parentheses there. There we go. Okay. So those are good. Now we want the total score. That's just changing one letter. We're good. Now we want the points for the entire competition, for each competition, I should say. So we'll call this comp score. We'll say equals if jump equals 1, because I don't want to double them up. If jump equals 1, then sum the filter of total score where I guess it would be comp equals comp times athlete equals athlete. Otherwise, return 0. So that's your comp score. So take this and change again just one letter. We're getting 0 for comp score, as we need to change this as well. Okay. Now we want to know the rank for each competition. Let's add another one. CR competition rank. So let's say X match this value against sort filter. CS. And we're going to say comp equals comp and jump. That's it. Okay. So that's the filter. The sort should be -1. That. That looks 31. That's okay. So that's comp rank. CR. Oh, 36. I think here we should only be looking if the jump equals 1 again. Here, X match. Let's try that. Here we go. Okay, on this one, we're converting the ranks to like cup points, like NASCAR style. So I'm going to convert them to integers. We can do easy lookups. Name that place. We'll name this points. Then we can take here and we'll say cup points CP. So equals X lookup. Place points. Match mode is -1. And if they're 0. Okay. So let's change this to CP. And we're looking good. Okay, for an entire season, we just need the same formula but take out a specific competition. Alright, now we're doing an extra race, cross-country race, on top of the jumps. So let's start by getting the total score for the first jump. So we'll say H stack, T athlete, and T total score, where T comp equals that. and t jump equals 1. And then let's sort that by the score, descending values, descending -1. All right, I'd like each of these to be its own array formula. So choose calls 1 and choose calls 2. Now I can say 2 times, what is it? 2 times the best score minus the actual scores gets you the delay. Let's bring in the speed here by xlooking to athlete returning speed. Okay, now the time, that's kilometers per hour. The race is 10 kilometers, so 10 divided by that gives us the number of hours it takes. Multiply by 60 and 60 to convert that to seconds, and then we can add our delay to get the final finish time. Now it's just a matter of sorting the names by the times to get our final positions. The answer is returning this array with whatever position they want. Good. Alright, bonus questions. On which hill was the longest distance jump recorded? So index T hill, on X match, max T dist, comma, T dist. What did I do wrong here? Max has to be closed. Okay. What's the highest jump score? It was max T total score. All right. Average age of the winner of each competition. That's going to be filter TH. What? Where T comp rank equals 1. You're on to 1 digit. Okay, how many competitions were won by the host company? So instead of averaging, we're going to count the rows. And one additional condition we need is that T host country equals winner country 3. Alright, last but not least, assume there's a Nordic Combined World Cup season. Okay, so we're doing cup points for each given competition. We can get the order here. So what I want to do is create a lambda that's going to take competition as an input and give me the sorted list of winners as an output. So we can do this using OA robot. Whoops, that. Using OA robot, we'll say mark input as cells, mark input cells. Make sure that we're referring to that one here. Now we can go to our output and just say save lambda as. This only works because our whole model is using nothing but dynamic arrays right now. And so that was part of the reason that I wanted to structure the choose calls in that one example there. Call this Nord for Nordic. And now on the competitions, we'll make a second table kind of right below. We'll say transpose unique T comp. So that gives me all the competitions here. And for each one, we'll just say Nord that. We'll get the list of winners for each one. So now I'll take a list of competitors and then go column by column. So by call across all of this region. Lambda C. And what we want to do is get their position in each match, each competition. So that X match that against C. gets the positions. We'll then XLOOKUP that to place and points. And then we'll sum those up to get the total points for the season. Making sure to anchor this right there. And you can see the total max is 1285. Right here, 1285. That's a wrap. Today we're doing ski jumping. Round 2 qualifiers from the German speaking DACH. I don't know what that DACH stands for. What does this DACH stand for? What does DACH stand for? DACH. DACH, German. DACH. I'm an Excel gladiator, and my goal in creating this video is to help people level up their Excel skills, as well as grow the world of Excel esports. If you want to help me do that, please like and subscribe, drop a comment, or check out one of these other videos.